Hi, my name is Kourtney Mits. I am a real estate agent with REMAX Capital Properties here in Cheyenne. A little bit about me. I grew up here. My parents moved my siblings and myself here in 2003 when I was only 7 years old, and we've been here ever since. I went to school at Central High School, and at the time I was very involved. I did the music programs and I was in swimming, and I really felt like I knew the community and I knew Cheyenne. And then I went away to college and I got married and I came back here to join real estate with my mom. When that happened, I realized that there was so much more to Cheyenne that I never really even knew. I've watched in the past 12 months just the community continue to grow and expand. And I've seen small businesses completely flourish because of the support of the community and the people here. Another thing is that I joined real estate when I was only 22 years old, which is really young, and I came in naive and not really knowing what I was doing, but I was completely welcomed not just by my real estate family, but by the community as a whole. My parents actually used to joke with me that Cheyenne was one of America's best kept secrets, and I'm starting to understand a lot more of why that is. When I first found out we were moving here, I even remember being that young and thinking, where even is that? But it's completely turned into my home and grown on my heart. So if you're considering moving to Cheyenne, I just know that there is a whole community here waiting to support you and watch you succeed, and I know that it'll grow on your heart as well. My husband and I actually just bought our first home in 2019, so we are experienced first-time home buyers, and so if that is something that you are looking for or looking towards, we are experienced in that. And we also do a lot with rental properties, and so we are excited to have your business and bring you here into Cheyenne. Feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 307-287-4692. And we're just looking forward to helping you be completely welcomed here in Cheyenne with the support of the whole entire community and myself as well.